Sup fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm in Curacao.
Good morning, guys.
What's up, guys? This is gonna be my workspace for the next 3 weeks. Breakfast with sunsets and sunrises. Workspace.
I'll be here for a little over a month to film the Curasound project. So what is the Curasound project? Let's jump in the video.
Put in the work like every day, and it's not like you won't see it tomorrow. You'll see it a couple of years from now. But if you record it,
I feel like in this space,
yeah,
Curasound,
yeah,
you get to be free, bro.
oh for sure,
You know?
My name is Michael, aka Carpaccio.
My name is Marieke. Hi guys, I'm Maxime.
I'm OJ.
My name's 808 Hendrix.
It's Matt Bonilla here.
Hey guys, my name is Richard Gordon.
Hi, my name is Rodrigo Sondurang.
Hi guys, my name is David Hugo.
Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Robin.
Hi, I'm Annick Kruijmans.
Hi guys, my name is Jacinho.
My name is Arenska.
This is Lil TJ, Curasound. We're about to make history.
Hi guys, work continues. New location, new meetings. We have, of course, Michael. We have Michael. We have Maxime.
Etappe gewoon een boom challenge.
Freaking
That's how we do. Curasound. All of us come to this stuff. We're gonna make awesome things happen.
Yes.
What as I imagined. How you doing?
What's going on, man?
We haven't. We haven't.
My man,
Day one.
Day one, let's get it.
Curacao here, DJ producer, and today we're on sunny island of Curacao.
This is day one, and we're having a great time. We're seeing amazing talents around here. We're seeing good vibes, good energy.
I just work in chaos, so that's why everything is there. Just make sure it has one plugin for everything.
Yeah.
Pero so I'll try to for the days that we're working. I will try to set up spaces for all of us to comfortably work. Sowieso.
Nice, bro. I like that. I like that. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Open maybe. Mire, esta es la más grande. ¿Te meto a correr? Mira, pila esa guitarra aquí más tanto, ¿cuál es? Esta pila guitarra aquí más tanto. ¿Entendrá? Ya. Prende un motor, prende un poder de correr. Asli gila gue pak.
Play the drum. Lo que es la que se me puso.
But it's kind of dope though.
Yeah, does it work?
Gotta say about this girl, flying than you've ever seen before. He's focused on smoke, smiles so bright and stellar. Seen her at a party dancing. dancing by herself. She didn't need no help. I was so easily around that. Hi guys, my name is David Hugo, also known as My Day. That's my artistic name. I'm a singer, songwriter, performer, whatever you want. If it has to do with music, I'm right there. So of course I have to be here at the Curasound headquarters.
Yeah, right?
Right here working on some music. I've been here almost every day. Don't even want to go home. No, this is where I want to be. With these great musicians, you know, we're doing a lot. We're learning a little bit about the production, learning how to write better, all of those stuff. So if you missed it, you missed it. I'm happy that I'm here.
It's raining, guys. It's raining. So today we are working inside. Lifesaver. Life.
Hi, my name is Rodilio Sondurang. I'm a singer and welcome to Curasound. Thank you, sing it to you.
Time to get some chicken. Time to get some chicken. Time to get some chicken. Time to get some chicken.
All found food. They all found a chicken. Not the colonel. Not the colonel.
Yo, what's up guys? My name is Robin and we're making some beautiful music. We're creating vibes and it's something that we can't wait to present to all of you. We have a performance as well that's coming up at Barrio and we can't wait to see you all there, and trust me, this is so needed for the culture that we're in. I can't believe that something like this is really happening, something that I've been wanting for a long time. Not for me personally, but for the collective of artists. And I can't wait to see all of you guys' reaction when the product comes out. Take care.
Ik vind het helemaal.
Yes.
Smakelijk.
Smakelijk. Eat up. Kom,
Bijvoorbeeld dingen sampler. Dus je zijn nog suficiënt met deze volume dingen track ding.
Mate.
Michael's voice and face. He's over it.
Tired.
He's tired.
I'm not over it, but I'm tired. Tired of shit.
Oh, it's 23.
Okay guys, the meeting has started. We're trying to get on the entertainment here for Curasound.
We just had a meeting with the people of Barrio, this beautiful location, where we're going to do the presentation of Curasound at the end of the session. It's going to be amazing. The team is very nice. We love the place, we love the looks, we love the vibe, and I think it's going to be a very nice showcase when we finish it all.
And voiceover time, guys. There's a lot of noise, but we just brought in all the stuff. It's very hot, I'm sweating, and I'll give you a house tour in a minute. So here we go, let's get it.
having good fun. Hi, I'm Aniek Kruijmans. My artist name is Annie Maniek.
You're gonna get ready.
I'm distracted. I'm here with Curasound and we're doing little projects here and there. Everybody's writing or producing or learning how to use Loop Station, and it's just chaotic fun, honestly. I'm a singer-songwriter and I'm here to learn how to produce. I just had a little session with Curacoa.
You're filling the space, basically.
So let go of control. It's just
Almost like you don't even hear it, but it does. It makes the space bigger.
let go of control. It's just business.
Now where it feels a little reverb.
Ja, die andere inderdaad.
Hoor ik het echt.
Ja.
Once you're cleaning
Reverb.
shit up, you hear how dirty the rest sounds.
Yeah, and reverb is essential, an amazing tool for a lot of shit, especially vocals. But overdoing it is gonna flush out.
It's my downfall. Absolutely.
Yeah, no,
My
I mean
kryptonite.
it's cool. I actually most vocalists that do their own vocals or have just started doing their own vocals always send me shit with too much reverb on it.
Because it protects you a little bit. Like your flaws are also a little bit hidden by the reverb.
Precies.
So
But you gotta shine.
Yeah.
That's important. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but you gotta do it well to begin with, so that you don't need reverb.
Yeah, definitely. The cleaner you start,
I'm not a recording singer. I'm a performing singer, so I'm still getting used to it.
But you're learning. You know what I mean? So it comes with time. And you can.
That's what we're working towards.
Yeah, exactly. It's just keep trying, keep doing, trial and error. Don't give up, and yeah, you'll get to a point where when you get to the point where you're like, when you actually heavily start fucking with what you're doing, that's a good feeling.
Yeah.
It's a really good feeling.
This is already very inspiring. Because just by that, I'm reminded just now what my first writing process was. And if I look back at what it is now, I'm like, okay, so this is gonna become the same process.
Right?
I'm already feeling excited about it.
Yeah.
When you look back at your first song that you really liked, you're like, that was nothing. Look at all that growth I did.
And I just realized it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Some shit.
Right? We have it. It's there. See,
Now we gotta record it.
È stato un piacere.
Tabata, hopi great, tene bossa.
Sì, toch? Mikey. Aspetta un po'. Sì, qualcuno sta... Yes, man. Wat is die al? Kom goed.
Let me know.
Alles? Ja. Meer man. Bro. Sapat, ja?
Put in the work every day, and it's not like you won't see it tomorrow. You'll see it a couple of years from now. But
If you record it.
See, you know, I mean, with breaking itself, I had moves and shit that you still think, what the fuck? Yeah, unless they're on camera now, I can't show you that anymore. Things change, time change, your body change, your mind changes. Your person changes. You change your cells every few years. But, you know, you're a totally different person every decade.
Yeah.
You know, you want to look back on that, and that's what you have to do now. You know, diba si 80 biya, bunga si 95 biya. Home performance, sing asinado ko ne sing sakin.
But again, I love the art of it. Just the rhyming
you
art.
should definitely keep enjoying it.
Yeah, man. I just love it.
The thing, the thing is as well, like with mostly with beat makers, but also with performance, you keep racking up stuff, and then you just become a hoarder.
Yeah.
You have a bunch of stuff. I think I've reached 1,000 beats for sure that I think they're pretty decent, and then the half-ass shit is way beyond that.
Let's talk about 4,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
4,000.
Yeah, you just keep making and keep making, bro. I don't know what beats I have anymore.
Exactly. Assim ko itabay. So, kasi ora mi tabisa, ora mi da escucha po ora mi da mene. Kasi tu vemo da travel. Okay, but drop one first. Where is this going? Que te plan? Que dia você sai com ele? Vai clear com ele? Que pessoal walk this way, hope I'm doing it. I know, like, bro, like, you gonna sit on those. 5 anos largo, they sit on those. This way with a move on. This way with a being this, and this way, oh, they like we para. No, man, you know?
Definitely.
I've seen it.
And I keep telling you guys, it's a process. I don't want y'all to look at me and think, because I'm this talented, I have it figured out. Like, as you can see, you know my flow. I hoard the shit. I'm not putting it out. But despite all that, I have this feeling that foi chiquimitin, and I don't want it to sound braggadocious or anything, because everyone has it, as long as you put in the work. I always knew I was going to do great things. It's not because I'm a great artist, actor, athlete. I don't care what it is, but to inspire, the best way to do it is mass hypnosis, which is music.
Yeah, we talk about it.
You feel me? So that's why I go so hard, because I'd be lying if I say I'm gonna keep it humble, and I feel like I knew I was gonna be great.
But you know,
I know it's gonna be
the
great.
thing is, you know how to be polished right now. You know how to polish yourself.
Yeah, definitely.
When you drop it, you really like delivering it, right? Because you know you've been polishing that, right?
Yeah. Because all the nights that I've been writing shit over in my script over and over
That's why you deliver it like
that's
you
why
deliver
I
it.
like that.
But I feel like in this space, Curasound, you get to be free, bro.
Oh, for sure.
You know? Curasound is for you to be free.
I was reading phonetics, man. I have no idea
Why you calling? Why you calling on my phone trying to tell me this? I don't care about none of what you got to say. Okay. So leave me alone and hang up the phone, because I don't want to be talked to you no more. This is my home. Don't call this bitch. Wait a minute.
Blessings, bro.
That's gonna be one of the
intro songs. Can't shit no more. Homie.
That's a hit song, bro.
Too many more. Fuck shit up.
Yeah, man.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Good morning. Today we won't be doing Curasound. Today is Marieke, her birthday, so we will be having fun on the boat. Let's get it. So I'm gonna see you guys in 2 days.
What up, everybody? I'm OJ's. I'm a singer-songwriter, and welcome to Curasound.
I'm done crying myself away. I gotta leave and start the healing. But when you move like that, I just wanna stay. I become looking through your phone. Oh no, love to you is just a game. Look what I've done. Dialing out the numbers on you. I don't want my heart to break.
Yeah, but I usually do like test sessions, you know, just to see how someone is feeling. Just sing it out. Just sing it out. And then sometimes it's good. Sometimes they do close to a one take, you know, where a lot of things are good, and I can chop the little things that are. Conga in the way. No, it is not. Oh yeah. Last session.
Almost.
Almost. Tomorrow. No, tomorrow's rehearsal, and
then showtime. Show day.
Showtime. It's showtime. And after that, it's sleep time and get some whiskey time.
Yeah.
And welcome at our fabulous showcase of Curasound. We have an awesome show for you guys. We have all these great artists, and we just want to share what we have. David is a singer-songwriter, performer, lover of R&B, main desire to inspire anyone who happens to come across his music. Give a big round of applause for David. David!
Yes, sir, everybody. Come on.
Oh, wow. I was like, shit, that's true.
Okay.
Remember, when you see him, you die.
Son.
You die.
You die, son.
Rudaili Sonduran.
Yes.
It's going to be our next performer. He's been a singer for 26 years. Various solos and projects, but loves to have fun.
Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend, and I'll help you carry on.
Everybody, me baby, mi dushi, mi mami, bota de mi corazón. Mi baby, mi dushi, mi mami, bota de mi corazón.
He showed that lady too.
Thank you, my friend.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God.
So Curasound is about to wrap up, and that's why we're here at Barrio today, because we're going to do a showcase for which we invited a couple of artists that we worked with to show what they made and also what they're made of themselves.
Oh, it's 23.
In deze video's.
Davo coração esse botim com cuida. Sabe o potencial aqui botim com vira. Respira e mira com vida por brilha. Escolhe para mostrar o segredo de vida.
Klein beetje shade, klein beetje. I won't post it.
And welcome to the first edition of our Curasound showcase. Yeah. It is a musical program where we want to rediscover the sound of the island, and we want to connect local artists to help them and grow, to let them show them their talents. So without further ado, David. He's done different solos and different projects, but he just likes to have fun and bring you guys some good vibes tonight. So feel free to dance. All right, give it up for Dyson.
House of cards be without the jokers? The hocus pocus that rob the focus. Dopamine doses to maintain hypnosis. You listening to the praying lotus. I'm back, quitting was bogus. So I stopped and put my forward in focus. Down bad but never hopeless. We have a purpose. Curasound, if this wasn't for us to do, we wouldn't be this blessed. To strive forward and bring the best. The prayers we set them, the layers we set them. Our roots are in hell, but our fruits are in heaven. Every sinner has a future, every saint has a past. Be careful what you say, every day could be your last. Hey, y'all got it, y'all got it. But what I really want to say is, art is under no obligation to make sense to any of us. I mean, what is pretty? What is ugly? What is right? What is wrong? What is success and how is it measured? What is weak and what is strong? Subjective. And with my time, I'm protective. In my perspective, it's not about me and you, it's about the collective. To write and direct it and pass the objective. That's what I'm trying to do. One day, Ralph is going to be a director, sitting in his director chair. And AJ is going to be a little J. Cole. He already got the hair, you see it? And me, man, I'll be right where I deserve to be. Hopefully in a studio performing surgery. Spine chiseling bars the nerve of me. Then activate hypertrophy, hoping it works for me. Because I don't know what I'd be doing if it wasn't for this. And I know I'm not alone. No rest until we make it home. Thank you.
He plays many instruments. He's a producer, guitarist, singer, and also our creative director of Curasound. So a special thanks to Michael Carpacci.
Welcome to the Mahonia experience. I'm going to take you guys on a journey. Feel free to vibe, feel free to dance. Even though you don't know the songs, move around, vibe with me. It's all about the energies, the frequencies, and being in this moment. I am glad to be present with all these talents, to have the opportunity to work together with Curasound, to coach these new talents, the future, the new generation of sound. Curasound has a lot of talent that needs to be shared with the world, you know. And if I can give a helping hand with that, why not? So, thanks for being here. And let's get this going, guys.
Dice el corazón que tú le haces falta cuando tú te vas y no le dices nada. Dice el corazón, ¿por qué no le llamas? Y si piensas en mí cuando estás en casa.
Thank you, everybody.
And every one of you for coming here, for participating, for giving us your energy, for making sure this trajectory was a great success despite everything that went sideways, with all realigned to become something beautiful in the end. We did get sponsorship from Fonds Cultuurparticipatie. Hello? Yeah, Fonds voor Cultuurparticipatie. Jesus, it's been a long day. Thank you guys again. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are the reason this worked. You guys are the best.
I'm just happy. I've been saying that since day one. I'm just happy this worked.
Alright, so I'd say let's wrap it up, and I'll see you guys to the very next one. Keep following us. We're gonna bring these songs out. We're gonna perfect them, master them, and bring them out to a level that is gonna bring our island to the level that we want it to be. So thanks again. I keep saying that. I'm very, 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 very grateful. And let's go to the next.
All right.